evening and coming into the back road. And Rain Rock is really beautiful at night. It's during the day right now. And the way that this is a native casino done by the Karuk tribe. I happen to work for the Karuk tribe too. And it's a lot of fun. It's not super expensive. The rooms are super nice. The hotel's brand new. I think it just opened in 2025. The casino's small, but it's got plenty of slots. It's got table games. It's got video poker and stuff like that. For those of us that like to play. On these light poles right here, there's LED lights that dance at night, and they've got a full solar farm. They've got a restaurant. It's pretty good. It's not bad. They've got actually two. And then they have two different sections. They have a section for smokers and a section for non-smokers. So it's kind of neat. I'm set back here, and I'm just trying to watch for traffic because I'm operating my cell phone right now. So this is the casino portion, and this very front portion right here is the smoking portion. And then as you come around, and they do a lot of fun stuff. Football is a huge thing. They've got a nice bar. They've got nice beers on tap. And then you're coming into the hotel section over here. I'm not going to go into the Wondershare, but you can see the car right there. The rooms are beautiful. As you'll see forward in the room tour, they've got a locked pool. And this is sovereign land. So this is the Karuk's land. So this is California. So as you come down here, we stays in one of the cottages in the back near the pool. And then as you come down this way, so there's where the cottages are. And if you come down this way, there's a smoke shop right behind that wall. And then if you look out the truck window over here, you can see those are RV parking spots. And they have an entire field of solar panels that they use to power the casino, and a giant generator as well for backup. And I'm just behind the casino, so this is hotel rooms back here. The casino is over yonder in that big building right there. This is the pool area. The pool is closed, but the hot tubs are open. There's restrooms over here, and these are the cottages. So Julie and I have a cottage. I'm gonna back you out here. Oh, I am backed out. Well, this is what they look like. They're really nice. You have a little deck, little Adirondack chairs, rocking chairs, which is kind of nice. Garbage bin between the two. And then if you, we're in C3, if you tap a card, this is what you walk into. So you have a sitting room. When we walked in, it was dark. I flipped lights. Big curtains, big windows, so lots of natural light when the sun's shining just right. The furniture is really cool. It's very tastefully decorated. You got your, doesn't come with cake, that's for Julie's birthday, but microwave, ice machine, Keurig, all the goodies right up here. And extra shelving. That you got a Frigidator down here. Let's see, not a mini bar, but they give you water, which is kind of nice, so that's good. You do have room service. It comes with a gas fireplace. Temperature set to 70, which is nice and comfortable. It doesn't seem super echoey, but we'll test that later. Room service for delivery or takeout. Taxes and 20% gratuity will be added, so that's cool. Phone, pen, a welcome. And you know what I love? So the Karuk tribe's colors are the same colors as my high school colors. I know that's stupid, but I do love that because I'm very fond of those colors. So welcome. And then of course your nice fireplace. And then you got I don't know why we have stools here, but we have stools here. Extra bedding. nice big wardrobe, safe at the bottom for all of your things that need a safe. And a little extra, this looks like an ironing board. There is a steamer at the bottom. They could do something with that. Big bed, it's a king. Looks like a California king, as wide as it is. Drawers. These are soft clothes. See? Soft clothes. Lights over by the headboard, 1 and 2. Plenty of charging. Beautiful art. That looks like Fowler Falls. So far I haven't found a Bible, which is good. And the drawers are nice and deep. And soft close drawers. So now we're gonna check out the bathroom. There's my baby. And then here's hers and hers sink. And it comes with the hairdryer. Looks like plenty of towels. Those don't open. A big mirror. More water. Shampoos, conditioners, lotions, makeup remover, towels. Holy Moses, I'm gonna like that shower. I wish it was a waterfall shower, but I'm not upset. The tile is amazing. There's the soaking tub. More towels. And your turlet. So, how does it look? This just opened this year. They don't look too worn. There's some nicks and scratches, but nothing looks too worn. If the stay is good, we might make this an annual thing. Spend the money and do the things with the stuff. But otherwise, it's nice. And that's the cottages.